These have got to be the most elegant, reusable decor for a minimalist, someone with small space. They come flat packed, and then you literally slap them together with the magnets included, and they make these gorgeous 3D trees. They're nice, thick material, and here you can see the magnets that hold it together. You simply take it from its flat pack position with the gold rimming, slide it around, connect the magnets together, and you have instant decor that's 3D and quite gorgeous in person. Some of my favorite things are that magnet. In the past, I've had to glue them or tape them and they've fallen apart quickly. It's just so easy, super simple to snap it together and you're good to go. And then you can flat pack them and save them all in the included bag. 5 total trees in all, and they range in height from 6, 9 to 12 inches. There's a tan color and a pink color. They all assemble the same. They're really durable for me. I think you could easily put these in like a little kid's room evenly because they're such like a high quality, thick, not cardboard, but thick paper, honeycomb design. Even if they played with them, they're not going to get messed up. I mean, they can't sit on them or anything, but I love that it comes in the pastel pink and the light brown. I like the little glitter trim. They're kind of a modern, cozy holiday vibe. The pink and tan are gorgeous. And then of course you can fiddle with them. They stay quite durable. They're not going to collapse on you. So overall, I would say they have that great pastel charm, space saving. I love that they're foldable for easy storage year after year. I love the easy magnetic assembly. They're cute, they're stylish, reusable, elegant. Thanks to the seller for sending these over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.